If mortgage rates are lower, why aren't homes flying off the market? It's a fair question, and it's the one I am hearing a lot right now. Yes, rates have come down compared to last year. Monthly payments are more manageable and more buyers technically qualify, but that hasn't translated into urgency, and that's where the real disconnect is. Lower rates helped affordability, that didn't reset buyer psychology. Today's buyers are more cautious, not because they can't buy, but because they finally have options. Inventory is higher, and when buyers have choices, their behavior changes. They compare homes, they negotiate, and they walk away from listings that don't feel aligned with their value. That's why homes aren't flying off the market. For sellers, this is an important shift to understand. Lower rates don't carry a listing on their own. Pricing still matters, presentation still matters. Homes that are positioned correctly are moving. Homes that rely on old market logic are sitting and often adjusting later. This market isn't slow, it's selective. And that selectivity is actually healthy. Deals are happening, but they are happening with intention, not pressure. Buyers are thinking through decisions instead of rushing into them, and sellers who respect that reality are seeing better outcomes. This market doesn't respond to hype or shortcuts, it responds to preparation, pricing, discipline, and clear decision making. That's the standard I work by: smart strategy, bold marketing, and real results. If you're looking for someone who promises the most or rushes the process, I may not be the right fit. But if you want clarity, steady guidance, and a strategy to protect your outcomes, even when conditions change, that's how I work. I am Rupa Realtor with Remax Select. If you're thinking about buying or selling and want clarity around timing, pricing, or strategy, that's a conversation I'm always open to.